Banasthali owes its existence neither to the zeal of an educationist nor to that of a social reformer. It has arisen remarkably from the ashes of a blossoming flower, Shantabai, which had withered before its time. The sudden death of the talented and promising daughter of Pandit Hiralal Shastri made him realize that if one Shantabai had departed, there were others who should be trained likewise. Her love, eternal love, had been the fountainhead of all the thinking and action. And this spirit has been the motivating force behind creating more Shantabais. The university, with a campus of over 850 acres and more than 12,000 students and 2,500 faculty and staff members, with over 54 undergraduate and 13 postgraduate programs by 35 different institutions, is amongst the largest residential women's university in the world. Having successfully educated over 150,000 students and beginning from a humble shed 76 years ago, the infrastructure now boasts of a colossal central library spreading over 33,000 square feet, many auditoriums, vast and fully equipped sports facilities, and a fully equipped 60-bed hospital. The university even broadcasts Radio Banasthali 90.4, the community radio station. Awarded A+ grade by the NAC committee, it was given the #1 factual ranking by India Today. The university excels in various fields of education, like science, humanities, engineering, design, management, pharmacy, mathematics, fine arts, dance, music, and it also has its Aviation Institute, making the students reach great heights. The university has many global exchange programs too. The university believes and practices the ideologies of Mahatma Gandhi. A full-fledged educational program aiming at an all-round development of students' personality was evolved, which came to be known as Panchmukhi shiksha or fivefold education. Students, through moral aspect of this program, develop their value base by learning to love, respect, and live cordially in a religiously varied environment. The intellectual side focuses on imparting knowledge beyond the realm of examinations. Practical education familiarizes the students with the domestic aspect of life, and they become aesthetically sound by experiencing and learning the Indian essence of theatre, classical dance and music, including Chirmi, the Rajasthani dance. Physical education is a remarkable aspect, including sport activities like judo karate, rope malkham, archery, swimming, shooting, horse riding, and other sports. The university has won accolades across all areas, having won national youth festivals and sports competitions, with students going on to represent the state and the country. Over the years, the university has been visited by great and eminent personalities who have interacted with the students. For the students here, the university provides a homely and fun-filled environment.
Hello friends and welcome to Radio Banasthali 90.4 MHz. I'm Kanika
and I'm Adya.
And let us take you on a voyage of our campus life,
where the students indulge into their studies every day with great zeal. But how?
The secret is the fun never ends in Banasthali.